Weeks, fix your shit. Hi, everyone. What do I normally say? Oh, hi, friends. Oh, no. Oh, oh, no. Wait. Okay, bot's getting shut down. Bot is shut down. Hey, Zweeks, can we get that fixed a little bit? I don't know who Zweeks is. Do we have Zweeks? Rip bot. Oh my god. Hi everyone. Welcome to the old speedrun Thursdays. We're doing elixir today. Why elixir? I don't know if it like comes across. I'm running on like 5 hours of sleep and hopes and dreams. So hopefully this goes all right. All right, this music is loud. Was the on-stream chat handled by the bot too? No, that's just broken for separate reasons. It's back. Don't worry. Don't worry. It's fine. It's fine. The stream is gonna be fine. Don't even worry about it. I'm definitely not so out of it. I may as well be sipping, but that's fine. Is the bot okay? You also only slept 5 hours? I'm sure many of you can relate to this, as we are all mostly engineers, and some of us maybe even have ADHD. I like randomly had that like God has called upon me to work on Franz again for like no fucking reason. I know it's not interesting. I just do it for myself. And so I basically was like up till 3 a.m. just frantically scribbling how I'm gonna rebuild all of Franz. I don't know why I do this. Maybe should get a ADHD diagnosis, but what are you gonna do about it? Elixir and not Gleam because Gleam is too close to Rust. Elixir because clickbait. I don't know. I think more people know what Elixir is. I think Elixir is gonna be pretty easy too. Thanks for yesterday's stream. Haven't written anything useful in so long. Oh, I'm happy to hear that. That's what I'm here for. All right. Can we get this back? We can get this back. Got a little water action going on. Not that. Like that. You would argue Elixir is easier. I don't remember anything about Elixir from the last time I tried it, so we're just kind of winging it. I was like, I don't have a lot of energy in me. I'm running on sparkling grape rush Celsius right now. Was that Hyrule Castle in the fish tank? It may as well be. That's actually my basement. Something Wind Waker. I don't know about the Legend of Link, okay? So, I don't know. Is the bot feeling better? I don't know what happened. I can revert that commit. I can try reverting that commit and then doing the merges, but honestly, I was just gonna fucking merge anyways. Who cares? It's probably fine. Still broken? I don't know. Seems to have calmed down. Get push extra force. Fuck it. Let's just merge. I don't care. I don't know how we can test. Okay. Chill. Okay, yes, it's still broken. It's still broken. What? How did this happen? Me and Zweeks were pushing commits late into the night that we probably shouldn't have been. And I probably didn't pay much attention. And I guess we forgot to make sure that the bot ignores the bot. And also the bot is this is why you don't push to main. It wasn't me. It was me. It was Zweeks. I'm innocent, I swear. Just ignore everything but commands. Look, I didn't catch the mistake. I didn't catch the mistake either, okay? I wanted to do the merge because it was a big refactor and I wanted to get the merge in early so that people didn't have to so that I didn't have to fix it now. And now I have to fix it anyway, so it doesn't even fucking matter. Anyways, I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I'm just a little out of it. It started when you did lurk. I'm just gonna I'm just gonna pause the machine. I'm just gonna pause the machine for now and we'll do the merges anyways. And then we'll push a hotfix eventually. Who knows? So yeah, at like oh no. Is this gonna be broken too? No. Okay, cool. At like 3 a.m. in the morning, I was like, I need to rewrite all of Franz starting from the very bottom. Like, I have this thing where, like, once you finish making something, like, all the way, you do the whole project, and you get to the end, and you actually start using it, that's when you realize which bits actually fucking suck. Because when you're writing it, you don't get the whole picture. You don't know. And so last night, it hit me of, like, here's all the shit with Franz that fucking blows. I want to rewrite everything from scratch with the knowledge that I've gained. And unironically, this is how I do projects. This is how I've always done projects. It is an insane way of doing projects because it means progress is slow and very time consuming. But for some reason, it's just how my brain works. So late last night, I rewrote our little mmap wrapper. Some things are impossible to predict. I just love iteration. I love iteration. I hate building up on things that exist. I love iterating with new things. I'm like basically a terrible AI. Just rewrite the sucky parts until nothing sucks. I don't like doing that. I like rewriting everything. Because then it's gonna suck anyways. You fix one sucky bit, you make 2 more, you know? So I like doing the old rewrite. The old full rewrite. So I rewrote mmap wrapper to something that makes way more sense. And then I'm not gonna like change anymore because I kept changing the mmap wrapper. I started rewriting the like actual core part of France, which is the disk ring buff that I've now renamed disk MPMC. And yeah, it's kind of already a mess, but I don't know. I was feeling a little manic, so I did a little manic stuff. And now I'm like crazy out of it. So that them's the breaks. Just wanted to do the old update. Let's do some merges. Can your brain stop hyper focusing on Emacs? Can my brain stop hyper focusing on fucking Franz? I'm so done with it. Holly says she's gonna force me to sleep today, but I can't imagine it's gonna happen. Is Emacs actually the best new distro? It is. You're sending commands secretly. I literally shut you down. Stop. You're suspended. Stop the machine. Stop the machine. Why do you keep starting? Why do you keep starting? Okay, well this is now something I'm gonna be doing during the speedrun. Kathy's merge I already checked. It was fine. Kathy's merge was fine. I'll squash the branch. Added rewrite command, whatever. We don't even need messages. 99.999% availability. I literally can't stop it. Is this how the Terminator starts? Is this how the Terminator films start? I can't stop the bot. All right, Kathy, funny command. Funny command is always good. Uwu command, always funny. I got asked for persistent storage, so that's something that I'll do. I'll totally add a volume since it seems that people want persistency. You can like persist the count and things like that. Let's resolve the conflicts. We want to add both of these commands. Boopity boop. Oops. Whoa. Whoa. The bot. It can't be bargained with. It can't be reasoned with. It doesn't feel pity, remorse, or fear, and it absolutely will not stop ever. It's fine. It's fine. I'll just keep pressing stop occasionally. I can't possibly go wrong in any way, shape, or form. Oh, also, Kathy, I found a proc macro for this. I don't know if it does everything we need. But I did link you if you want to take a look at that. It does something very similar, at the very least. Okay. That's resolved. Commit the merge. The file thingy? Yeah. Is that not what we want? It at least was very similar. Hi, El Sabano. How are you? Do you use Emacs macros to automate? I think I'm good. I think I'm good. You want to think if there's a better way? Okay. No rush. No rush. I think it'll be an easy refactor anyways, even if we have to change all the names. I don't think it's that big of a deal. You prefer to reduce pulled in dependencies? I prefer to increase. Oops! This is a rebase that I didn't catch. This is a rebase that I did not catch. Because this is no longer in commands. I fix this here. Is there a way I can do that? No? Okay. It's fine. That's fine. I'll just fix it live. Nothing will go wrong with this. I don't even have GH? Oh my god. What is the GitHub CLI called? GH is the GitHub CLI. We'll see Maxi has been rewritten in Rust. It's actually called GH. It's so over. How do you flip it again? I never remember. Just par minus S. It's in. Okay, cool. Oh, lovely jubbly. Oh, that's awesome. GitHub. Act. GitHub CLI. That's what it's called. It's called GitHub CLI. Cool. Oh my god. Don't worry about it. Show tokens? No. My one-time code is 6CD. You love that the bot also responds to itself. It's annoying. I didn't catch it. I'm sorry. It's my fault. It's all my fault. I'm a bad maintainer. Please kill the bot already. I can't kill the bot. It keeps coming back. I'm not even kidding. All right. I'm gonna shut down everything. I'm gonna shut down everything. Bot's already taken over. It's so over. You think it'd be better to ignore commands when someone is spamming? That's literally what the next PR is. I swear to God, we thought of this. We did some thinking. It exists. I don't think this is right either. I have a feeling this is not correct either. The chat ID bot ID check should be the first thing in that function. We could probably fix this right now. Let me just do this fix quickly. Oh, that's a thing that was in my. Hopefully that was fine. That's a thing that was on my clipboard. Good to know. Thanks for that. You can move the chat ID checkup and move the spam. Yeah, I'll do that in a sec. Bear with me. Can you not? Thank you. Okay, hold on. Let's fix this. What was the issue? The issue was the rename in uwu. Because we renamed some functions. Somewhere in test. Go. This is no longer in commands. This is in API. I think that's the issue. That was the issue. Hotfix. Refactor. Push that. I don't. What's the difference? I don't know what the difference is. Cool. Let's let it do that check, but I think this is fine now. We'll do the same thing with this PR, so hopefully it'll be fine. I think we just need to like flip around wherever that check happens. It should be the first thing that happens ever. It should happen immediately. I don't know where it happens anymore. Okay, whatever. We'll check it out. In this case, there was no difference because the branch is also called main. Got it. Added uwu command. Wash and merge. All right. All right, let's do the big one. check out 41. Where does this happen? Does this happen in mod? Nope. Command, line 166. Piano command if applicable? Boopity boop boop. This just needs to move up. Where are we getting this command name? Why is there a notify chat here? Why are we notifying chat at all? Where's notify chat? It's only in tests. I'm just gonna nuke this function, and Zweeks, if you're around, feel free to fix it. I didn't catch it. I'm just gonna nuke this. I don't even think it matters for debugging, to be honest. Alright, hopefully that's a fix. Nuke that shit? Alright, cool. Weeks gave me permission. Spam check go after command parse now. Why? Oh yeah, because if it's not a fucking command. I shut it down. Okay. Cool. We'll go with that. Hot fix. Bot needs to chill. Coolio. Let it run that test, and then we'll move to the speed run. Elixir is plenty fun. I remember I didn't hate it. Elixir was one of the few languages that I didn't hate. We're still gonna do the Franz client, and I think it'll be more interesting this time because we'll actually have to like spawn threads and stuff. And that's where I understand Elixir truly shines. Alrighty, seems like action was fine. Squash and merge. Boopity boop. Alright, hopefully this is good. Let's spin everything back up. Oh my god, I spent a whole $2 this month. Fly doesn't even bill you if it's less than $5, so if we get this shit down a little bit... Going broke pensive. It's still deploying. It's still redeploying. Chill. It's still redeploying. It'll be fine, don't worry. Trust. Just trust. You're mewing too quickly. No, stop. Why? No. Don't do that. You're mewing too quickly. Lillian. Alright, we redeployed. We redeployed, okay? Should have waited for the deploy to start. Um. Oop. Start the machine. Alright. Give me a ping. Give me a ping. Or a pong. Alright. Spam? Can we get some spam? I think we're good. I think we're chill. Ooh, Kathy with the spam. There is a limit of like a command every 3 seconds or something. Alright, fuck it. We're fine. We're fine. We're fine. We're fine. It seems to be fine. Looks fine. I'm chilling. We're chilling. I'm letting this roll. I'm letting this fly. Alright, let's bring this terminal back. I think we are A-okay. I think we're A-okay. Woof. What happened to SL? What happened to the train? Alright. It's speedrun time. It's speedrun time. You know the rules. We're making a France client that doesn't matter. Memory map today? Okay, look, I'm gonna be completely honest. I'm gonna be completely honest. I don't want to do this speedrun. I don't want to do this speedrun at all. I am so invested in working on France that I would happily just end stream. What speedrun? Exactly. I would happily just end stream and spend the next 24 hours doing nothing but writing France code. But I don't think that's good for me. I don't think that's good for me. We're 52.8% done with France. I hope that's true. I hope that's true. If this is halfway, that's good. Kathy's porting query replace into Vim. So I look. I don't know if I'm gonna have it in me to do Franz live because I don't think anyone cares. I don't think anyone cares except for me. I would happily end stream, go into Discord and work on Franz on my own time. I don't think I need to stream it. I don't think it's gonna be fun for anyone. So let's just do our little speed run, and then we'll go our separate ways, and I'll get Franz out of my system. Because otherwise, I really need to sleep. What are we speedrunning? Yeah, okay. Important questions. We're speedrunning making a Franz consumer producer client. This is cheese, but I can't open it for some reason. Why just this dumb? I'm so out of it. Making a Franz producer consumer client, which involves a few steps. It means we have to deal with sockets. It means we have to deal with strings a little bit. And it means more importantly, I think what's going to be the most interesting in Elixir is we need a background thread. We need a background keep alive thread that pings the server, that tells the server that we are still waiting. We did not disconnect. A little heartbeat. Get a knife or scissors? I'm fine, okay? Just listen to my words. Don't look at me. I got it. I got it. Chill. Go. I have cheese now. Why doesn't bot time work? I don't know. You're looking at my nails? Yo? Nom. Specifically with a hyphen, because it's not alphanumeric. It's getting filtered. I remember looking at that line in the code and being like, are we filtering a little too much? The answer is yes. The answer is yes. At the very least, I know the bug. The one time you got nails done, it ripped out a full nail? Oh god, I'm sorry. We're filtering dashes, that's why. I know where it is. Not ripped out, but it wasn't connected to the bed. Okay, I constantly break my pointer finger, but it's not like gone. It's like I break the little tip. I don't know. I've never had that happen to me, and I'm not exactly the most careful person. And you cut it off? Jesus Christ, girl. My god. Alright, let's talk about the rules of the speedrun. You heard B got a vomit? Yeah, no kidding. That's crazy. Let's talk about the rules of the speedrun. What are we doing? What are we doing here? What are we doing? CD projects, bronze clients. All right. Bodily harm has been banned. Honestly, based as fuck. All right. Rules of the speedrun. The goal of the speedrun is to make a producer consumer for Franz. And luckily, because I wrote Franz, the consumer is very easy to make. It takes basically 2 steps. The first step is we need to write a message for the kind of client, which in our case is writing a 0 or a 1, and this is a string. We're writing a 0 or a 1 string to the server, and then followed by a new line. So like enter, think, you know, little enter there. And then we send the topic name. It's literally that simple. We need to send 2 strings separated by new lines. That's it. That's all we got to do. The hard part is, of course, kind of learning about like structs or objects or classes or whatever's going on in the language. And then making a background thread for the keep alive. You need a background thread that occasionally sends ping every 60 seconds, give or take, to keep the client alive. We know the speedrun ends when we send 3 strings. We receive 3 strings. That's about it. Bada bing, bada boom. I think we'll be fine. All right, let's get the timer started up here. I have like a little bit of faith in Elixir. I think Elixir we did pretty quickly last time. I don't remember. I remember it being like pretty straightforward. Can't sneak CTCP actions. We've banned Wayland. How am I gonna stream, Lunas? I need the Wayland compositor. At least for a little bit. Wait for me to switch, okay? Ban X11 is over. I have to use the macOS compositor. Use i3. Alright, let's start the speedrun. Can we do Gamba? Does anyone want to do Gamba? Bug the mods if you want to do Gamba. That's not my problem. Alrighty, starting in 3, 2, and 1. And 1. I don't remember how to install Elixir. Do I have Elixir? I do have Elixir. We're so back. All right. It just takes an EXS file. It's that simple. Sure. Let's try you know what? Let's start from the beginning. Let's see what the Elixir docs have to say. complicated could this be? Elixir, docs, learning, docs, guides, introduction. Cool. Uh-huh. Yeah. Incredible. Well done. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah. Maxie, how are you reading so fast? I'm not. My eyes are glazed over. If the camera quality was good enough, it would just be like that white haze over my eyes. I have no clue what's going on right now. Is there structs? Is there structs? The rewrite command docs aren't appearing in the crate? That's because I didn't publish them. Look, there's things to fix, okay? There's things to fix, okay? You want me to publish it? I have to do a version bump and push to main again. We got modules. How do you do structs? How do you do structs in this wonderful language? Structs. Def module, def struct. Cool. This is great. This is a Franz client speedrun, yeah. I think it'll be more fun in Elixir because we have to deal with threads, and that's what Elixir is all about. Def Maxi. Wait, how did we get Gamba so fast? I didn't even see the Gamba. Is Freefall the only believer? Get in on predictions? I didn't even see the prediction. What's going on? Huh? Alright, I fucking guess. What's my time? What's the time that I have to make? It better not be a fucking hour. Is it an hour? I'm so fucked. So fucked. There's absolutely no shot. Absolutely no shot. What's the elixir? What's the elixir? EXS? EXS. An hour? It's so fucked. Chatters who believe are fucked. But I don't want to let them down. I don't want to let them down. Def module. Not like that. You put a whole 0 channel points in. Alright, well, it doesn't feel like you're much of a believer then. I think you've got it twisted. Def module, Franz, consumer, do. Do I understand this correctly? I think I understand this correctly. Def struct. Name age. All right, we need a socket. We need to do sockets. Elixir docs. Give me some socket action. Let me slide into the socket. Is this what I want? Socket? Echo server. Yay! Accept port. Gen TCP. What? Gen TCP? Dot. What? What is Gen TCP? Erlang's Gen TCP module. Oh, I see. Gen TCP connect some host in net port binary packet. Huh? Sure. Really, Elixir is all about networking? Right. Yeah, that's what I thought. Only one packet for believers? Who put the one packet in? Who put the one packet in? What in the believer bullshit is that? Jesus. Oh my jeez. Sock. What type is sock? What? Can I just do sock? End? Is this fine? Cheeses for real? Is this running on Erlang VM? Everything's running on the Erlang VM. The mental health is gone. I'm sorry to hear that. I hope sleep helps out a little bit. Honestly, I need the sleep too. I'm not even gonna lie. Take care of yourself, Kathy. Thanks for checking in. Is this what they were talking about when they talk about programming socks? Do they mean TCP sockets? Yes, that's exactly it. That's exactly it. What am I doing? Some host in that. Okay, copy paste. Yeah. Keyword argument must be followed by space after gen TCP? What are you talking about? What LSP do I even have? I have elixir. What's going on? Should I do receive sock BS? That's so funny. Oh, that's so funny. I don't know. Connect on port 8085. What? What is this? What is this error? I don't understand. What are they? Is this what I want? Why is it yelling at me? Cause that was Erlang and not Elixir. I see. I see, of course. Why, of course, indubitably. Alright, do. End. Yes, I don't know. Oh, I don't like this. Why are there commas everywhere? Why is it putting commas everywhere? Invalid syntax. Gen TCP connect because it's a dot. These are all dots. Of course they are. For like no reason, right? Count has been banned? We've banned counting? Honestly, I never even learned how, so it's fine. How do I make initializers? Def module require longer. Def accept port do and yeah. Uh-huh. So, how do I well, obviously I can't keep track of state, right? I can't keep track of mutable state. That's not how this language works. Oh, I forgot this was like a totally functional language. Oh, why did I think this was not a functional language? Oh, it's so over. We're gonna be here for the next 3 hours. Mm-hmm. State really right in front of my Haskell compiler? Why is the music so quiet? Hi, brainless. Are you still brainless? Uh, tasks. Maybe because at the start of the music, I said music was too loud. You can see Aurora right now? Oh, am I gonna miss it? I always miss it. I'm in New York City. I can't see shit when I look up. All I can see is more buildings. I'm just scrolling. I'm not even gonna lie. My brain is like absolutely dead. I'm just scrolling. I'm just scrolling. It's so over. Okay, what do I have to do? What do I have to do? What do I have to do? Def struct. I need an example. I need an example. What am I coding? We're making a Franz client. We're making a Franz client. Hi Jesse Wayne. Are you related to Bruce Wayne? Are you a billionaire? Can you get me out of this? Can you get me out of this hellhole? Why do I have a cover of Smash Mouth in my playlist? It's so over. Elixir struct example. Oh. Maybe I should have paid attention. Structs are bare maps underneath. How can I like initialize a struct? I know it doesn't work this way. I know it doesn't work this way. Your struck. I okay. I need to think about this. I need to think about this logically. I need to think about this logically. We're making a Franz consumer. They didn't even like define a struct or anything. I guess assuming we have a struct. They made pipes in the terminal. That they did. Hi Alamar. You were a little late. That's okay. You just missed merging hell. You missed merging hell and the bot spamming itself with messages that it's spamming too much. Which is funny if you think about it. And then not that funny if you think about it a little more. It's pretty understandable. Um um let's say let's just write a function. Let's just what's the poop timer for? Where I have an hour to make this. I have an hour to make this whole client. I am also like super fucking out of it right now. I'm not even gonna lie. Let's just write a push. Let's just write a push function and hopefully we slowly move on with life. We push a message. Is this backseating friendly? It's this is the only day it's not backseating friendly. It's the only day. Maxi, why does the tag say backseating welcome? I forgot to change it. Okay? Okay, I forget sometimes. I forget things. I don't know what to tell you. Okay, hold on. Hold on. We're making a push function. Let's just do a gen TCP send socket line. Gen yeah. Gen TCP send self dot socket. Suck. I don't know. Does it work like this? Sock line. Sock line. Sock line. What is the 0 here? Hmm. Um, socket read line write line is equivalent to, okay, whatever, I don't care. Gen TCP send sends a packet on a socket. There is no send with a timeout. I don't care. Does it include the new line? All right, now it's too loud. What's going on? Maybe it means backseating welcome to go to hell. I'll give up after an hour. I'll give up after this song is loud. This song is very loud. I don't know. I'm sorry about that. I will give up after an hour. I normally I have way more energy to try and learn something. I am like not I'm not in it today. Can I do like message concat? How do you concat an elixir? There's a concatenation operator. Throw in a new line there. I don't know. Maybe it just works. Maybe it just works. Accessing and updating structs. But like, how do I use it in the module? Or do I just not? Do I just not? Am I being silly and like not, shouldn't be doing it this way? Should I just have like sock message? Yonk. Plomp. Bronze producer? Also, consumer definitely does not send. What is client here? Let me just see what happens here. What if I do Franz producer dot push sock ASDF? What happens if I do that? Let's listen on localhost 8085. And let's just try running it. I don't know. I also don't know how to run it. C# has but not so it all looks cursed. In Pascal the little two fish trying to kiss operator is not equals. Maybe I shouldn't do PRs before speedruns. I will still do PRs before speedruns. Why? I think I should like sleep. I think I should like sleep and eat before I start streaming. It's just that like didn't work out. Just successfully working out for the fish operator one. Many are asking. Honestly, so many are asking. :3 operator. I think it already exists. Exists. Elixir main. Elixir main. Elixir. What the? I can't even spell elixir. Undefined function and client. That makes sense. How do I run the fucking code? Undefined variable binary. Yeah? Like for real? It needs to be an atom. It needs to be an atom. Not an Eve, like I originally assumed. Alright, what do we have in here? Binary packet line active. Can I just like guess? Can I just guess that it's something like this? Why doesn't the LSP yell at me? Variable OK is unused. Okay. 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 Sure. Sure. That's fine. Connect. Port. PID? The fuck is a PID? Huh? This is not what I want. I know it's a process ID. That's not very useful to me. Associates the port identifier with a PID? That's definitely not what I want. This is definitely not what I want. Task and gen TCP. This is what I want. I want gen TCP. Gen TCP accept. Can I see an example for gen TCP connect? Listen. Read line. Send. Receive. Maybe. Maybe. It's so over. You're mostly telling Maxi to stop asking questions, at least towards chat. I'm just yapping. Me yap, okay? Gen TCP elixir examples, please. I've seen this 1,000 times. I'm gonna murder someone. All right, Andrea, I believe in you. What is this font? Gen TCP connect localhost port ops binary active false. Binary active false. Whatever that means. Binary active false. Localhost 6379. You're just going to do exactly like he did it. Localhost. What do you... Don't backseat. I'm not even fucking reading it. Doesn't even matter. Okay, state. Wait, this is wait. This is actually like exactly what I would need. Def module, producer. Initial state socket nil. I copy paste that. Initial state socket nil. Init state. What is state here? I you know what? I don't care. You know what? I don't fucking give a shit about the woke mob and their state. State should have less resources and less ability to help people. That's my opinion. I think this whole society we've made where we go about helping each other should go fuck itself. Kidding. Kidding, by the way. Just jokes. Just jokes. Hot take. I'm gonna live in my libertarian paradise where it's everyone for themselves. And for some reason, I think that I'm gonna be the one ruling this libertarian paradise and definitely not one of the scrubs. How do I feel? I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted. What did it state? Socket equals state. Hmm. 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 Very cool. Very cool. So can I just socket equals state? Command from GenTCP send socket encode command. Okay, so can I just do okay equals GenTCP send socket message concatenated with new line? Zero means receive all available bytes in the socket. I see. Highly lexical. Not hard for me to say at all. Not communistic, where government takes ownership of everything, but restation, where programmers assign ownership and borrowing rules. You're cheering on me? I think you meant to say you're cheering me on. Cheering on me would be a little different, and I guess my interpretation of it would be very negative. If someone was cheering on me, I'd assume they were like, what's the difference? Cheering someone on is like supporting them. Cheering on someone is just weird. It just sounds weird. Just one of those language things. You got your thumbs crossed? I have 30 more minutes. Honestly, I might do this. I'm yapping so hard, but Elixir is such a dumb language, I might still be able to do it. You're cheering me on. Thank you. Thank you, Christopher. I appreciate it. Big preach, as they say in the industry. This works fine. Does it? Redis.start link. Redis.start link. What? Redis.start link? When does it call init? Wait, what? Wait, I feel like I missed a step. Wait, I feel like I missed a step. When does it call init? Init1 is called when genserver start link 2 is used to start the process. Okay, so init is a genserver thing. Got it. We'll use a gen server as the only interface with the TCP connection. We need a gen server so that we'll be able to keep the TCP socket in the gen server state and reuse that socket for all communication. Should I like do that as well? I feel like that's too much. I feel like that's way too much, but like honestly, oh, I don't know. I don't know. I feel like it's not what we need, but if it works, right? Give it a shot. Let's try your little example there. Start link. What is dot command? Dot command. Genserver dot call. EID. You're gonna send some test messages to test spacing? If you look at the old speedrun, there should be some spacing info there. Whatever defaults I set are pretty reasonable. What is .call? Is this like Ruby? I don't fucking know. I've never used Ruby. Okay, PID equals. You don't want padding for a 3x3 grid? I don't know what you're yapping about. You get a call. You handle the call. I think I understand. I think I understand. I really wish there was a little more LSP action going on for the interface, because it's like super not clear what this interface even does. So I guess we have this handle call. I'm just gonna call this a message. I don't care about encoding it. I just want to send it. And oh, I guess I want to do this. Okay. Let's try our France producer dot start link. And then France producer dot command. Genserver dot call. Oh, I guess this is our push. PID, comma, message. Do Genserver call with the process ID and your message. Sure? Sure. Yeah, why not? Push PID hello. I don't know. Is that readable enough? That's pretty readable if you're going for a fence. Is that supposed to read like a fence? You know what? I really wish that worked. I really wish that worked. Variable state is unused. Is it? Is it really? No match of the right hand side value. An init? We didn't even get past the init? Init. Init state. I literally copy pasted. Maybe I should make sure that that's correct. Okay, still doesn't work. How's it going? It's so bad. So bad. No match of right-hand side value. What? I can't even get past the first bit? Ban has been banned? Are you testing the message size limits? Also, why is it doing this? Was that the issue? Nope. Nope. At least we got farther. No function clause matching in Gen TCP Connect? What? Single-hoted string represents car lists? So I had it right? They're presumably the same as RC? That's true. Do I actually test message size? No. I just dropped the message. Atom string? So true. Hi, Anna Prank. We're still listening. I don't know. Gen server init. What? No function clause matching in Gen TCP Connect 3? Wait. I see it. I see the line. I don't see the line. I don't see the line at all. It's literally exactly the example. It's an exact copy of the example. The characters are still bytes though. The error makes no sense. No function clause matching in Gen TCP Connect? I don't think this is one of those moments where if I stare at it for long enough, it'll click. I have a feeling it's not going to work that way. I don't know. I don't think this is going to make a difference. That's a different error. No match of right hand side value, so it does want a string. Hi, Tina. Am I missing like a do somewhere? Is there a do that I'm not doing? Should I be doing a do? No function clause matching. All right, no function clause matching. If none of the clauses match, you get a function clause error. What does that mean? No function clause matching TCP connect 3. Okay. So where's TCP connect? What is it not happy with? Gen TCP connect 3 address port ops. What's the difference with 2? Sock adder ops. Address port ops. Error reason. This tells me nothing. With arguments, address and port equivalent to connect address port ops infinity. Did mostly yapping merge with mostly keyboard finally? What does that mean? What if I just don't do that? What if I just get rid of the options? What does that do? No function clause matching in Gen TCP Connect 3. What are you talking about? There's 2 arguments here. I had it right before. Maybe I should read what the binary option does. Option? Am I today's date? I don't even know what day it is today. Just to make sure port 8085 is open. I'm listening on port 8085 on localhost. It's the car list which is killing me. I mean, I think it's a lack of sleep, but it's 10 out of 10. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's cute. It's the car list. It's the car list? It's the cat list? Is this just not the ticks that I'm thinking of? Are these not the droids that I'm looking? Is it these? What is this character? I don't know what this character is. It's still not what? 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 I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. It does give a different error. We get an error in France producer init 1. This tells me nothing. No match of right hand side value on line 18. Single quote is carless. Elixir does not use them, but Erlang does. Or is that C digit to convert them? Okay, but it's still not matching. It's still not matching for some reason. What does this binary do? Module for handling binary data. That seems useful. Failing somewhere else now? It's failing on line 18. It said econ refused. This is the error? Is there anything listening on that port? Yeah. Oh good, it's telling you that it failed. Should it not be listening? It doesn't make any sense. It's still econ refused, regardless of if something is listening or not. How does that make any sense? Is there something listening on port 8085? Erlang is meant to fail on retry? No? Nothing on my device. Do it after you have netcat open. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. It works. Why would it not work? Skill issue, I'm going walkies. It's so over. It's so over. It's refusing me. It's refusing just me. Getting rejected. Does this gen server do anything that I really care about? I feel like this gen server is confusing me. Can I just hold on? Can I just do all of this outside of the struct? Let's just try to do this all out here and ignore the struct. Just trying to make it happen like this. Gen server is the basic of Erlang. But I don't need a server, I need a client. Undefined variable state. Undefined variable message. Econ refused on line 32. Okay, so it actually just can't connect to localhost. It's actually just struggling to connect to localhost for like no reason. What if I try 127? Is this a localhost skill issue? It's a localhost skill issue. I'm actually I'm so done. I'm so done. I'm so done. I don't care anymore. I don't care anymore. I don't care anymore. I got 9 minutes to do the rest of this. It's so over. I think I can do it. I think I can do it. Doesn't even matter. I think I can do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. Online, give me the line number. Why are these error messages so impossible to read? Last message, bad return value. I got a bad return value, but it worked. It was Netcat fucking me? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know, girl. I don't know nothing. I ain't know nothing. What do you want from me? Alright, just not happy with the return value. But honestly, fuck if I care. You were able to in passing -P? What does a -P flag do? -- pizza? You know what? It works. I'm over it. I'm over it. It works. It's fine. Let's make a consumer? Oh boy. This is gonna be the actual harder bit. Receive. How do I receive? How do I receive a line? Receive all available bytes in the socket. With -L, you can just do NC-L8085. I did not know that. I did not know that. Gen TCP receive socket length timeout. All available bytes are returned. Packet line. That is the old Erlang line delimiter car option. Without dash P, you're getting connection refused. What is the dash P flag? So what? I need line delimiter car as an option? Question mark new line? There's no way it's this easy. There's no way it's this easy. Oh, the port flag. I see. Okay. iNet. Does Elixir just trust that you understand how Erlang gets magically elixired? Because I kind of just don't get it. Elixir trusts you don't care about Erlang? But I have to keep looking at the Erlang docs, and they're kind of like not super helpful. This is just an implementation difference moment. Does the receive return? Returns OK packet. Or error reason. Socket length timeout. Invalid syntax, huh? Invalid syntax. Why is that? Unexpectedly reached end of line? What does that mean? I don't know. Seems pretty fucking expected to me. Oh, Lunas is making tic-tac-toe for the Twitch bot. I see. I don't want to do this anymore. The compiler give me a better error? Receive socket length. Okay, packet. This is where Elixir is drawing the line and you've reached it. Can't think right now. The only thing happening in my head right now is just buzz. It's literally just going bzzz. That's all I hear right now. If I change this to packet, it's gonna work. Why would that matter? I have to wrap it. Oh my god. So over. So over. How do I return values? Functions, here we go. Not structs, modules, and functions. Uh-huh. Can I just return this as a value? Can I just do that? Maybe? If I do def pop PID quo just PID, I think. Do gen server dot call PID. Does this work? Franz. Let's make a Franz consumer. Start link. Pop. I don't know. Did it work? That moment when you spend a full minute only to realize you wrote the wrong symbol. All right, how do I write to standard out? io.puts. io.puts. Okay, hold on. Let's do okay message equals this. Whoa, chill. And then io.puts message? Will this let us debug? Bad return value. Bad return value, huh? Debug is nicer to use than IO puts. I don't even think we're hitting that part in the code though, so I don't know what to tell ya. Am I even like returning what I wanted to return, or how does it work? Brands consumer pop. Like, is this returning the last value, or is just not doing what I expect it to do? Should I be more explicit here? Should I do like okay message equals this and then return okay message? I feel like that's a little silly. Like, that doesn't make much sense. Can I debug this? It just told me nothing. We crashed on line 51. We crash on push. We crash on send? Why? What's wrong with the send? It sends the message. Connect. Send. Why is it crashing? Am I just like not closing the socket? Is that why it's not happy with me? I'm also trying to make two connections here that are doing different things, and that doesn't make a lot of sense. Let me just try close. Let me just try. Oh god, I have no clue what I'm doing. Let me actually spin up a France server now and see if that helps at all. Hello. Thank you. Maybe this will at least help us debug? Okay. New client. Invalid digit found in string? Oh wait. Oh wait. Oh wait. Oh wait. 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 Okay. Socket state. I need to do this in the init as well. We need to send a 0 because we're a producer. And then save the state? I don't know. Try that. Okay, producer, accepted producer for hello with 0 max pages. And then the producer disconnected. Okay, we do have to send a topic. Test. That's going to be our topic name. It's just not happy with the last send that we do for some reason. New client, accepted producer for test with 0 max pages, and then we disconnect. Why is it just not happy with this last one? What's up with this? What if I just don't do this? Still not happy? Maybe it even worked, I don't know. No. It did nothing. Although in theory it sent the message. What's the error message? Bad return value, okay. Bad return value, okay. What? Does send not return okay? Is that why? Bad return value, okay. Is it because we need We need to return a response for handle call. Is that why? Reply. I feel like this isn't right. Bad return value, reply, socket. We did write the message though. The message did get written. Bad return value. What? What? Did it just work? What? I don't know what I changed, but I think it just worked. Huh? Except for bad arg. Whatever that means. Exit, bad arg. That's an incredible debug message. Error, bad arg. Exit from PID, bad arg. The fuck does that mean? It's not even a crash? Give me my cheese! I think the producer is working. I think the consumer is probably not working because this socket connection is still open. Although I don't know what this reply function does, so. Set my key 1. What does it expect in a reply? Do I just like look up gen server? Request reply, request reply. No reply. Handle cast will fire when the server receives an asynchronous push message. Handle call fires when the server receives a synchronous pop message. What? All cast. Oh. I think we need a cast here, right? We need a cast, not call. So this should be a handle cast. It's all making sense. It's all making sense now. Cast, push, element. Oh my god. Push, message. I don't need a from, I just need the state, which gets the socket. And I do GenDB sends socket message with no reply and the state. Oh my god, it's all making sense. Oh my god, it's all making sense. Yeah? Yeah. And then that should be the producer. That should be the happy producer. I think I th- I think I think that means producer is happy. Maybe? No. Because I need to do this. Cast. Need to cast push message. Cool. Allegedly cool. Bad arg. I don't know. I don't care. Yeah, ID. Yeah. Yeah. That's fine. How does elixir taste? I'm so out of it. I don't think this is a good judgment. Reply to caller new state. Reply to caller new state. Reply. I'm losing my mind. I'm losing my mind. I shouldn't be doing this. Reply to caller new state. I don't know. I don't know anymore. I don't know anymore. From is unused. I know it's unused, okay? Just handle call pop from state. Let's try that. Pop from state. So we call PID. Whoa, chill. Pop. Oh, I'm being silly. Oh, I'm being so silly. I forgot to do this. Yonk. We can do it. It's fine. It's fine. We can do it. It's literally fine. Oh my god, I can't copy paste anymore. My eyes are literally falling shut. This is crazy. Bing. All right, shut the fuck up. I know. Almost? Maybe? Trans consumer start link. You dropped the prod database today? Honestly, you're doing better than me. Bad arg, huh? Bad arg. Why? The search database? Pop? Receive? Reply? Message? State? Reply message state. Reply? Message? State? Reply? Message? State. So it's not returning okay message. What does it return? What does call return? Fuck all? I'm being silly. A consumer sends a 1. This might actually have been working the whole time, and I'm just like not braining enough to make it work. No, it still doesn't work. PID is unused. Trans consumer start link. PID is unused. Uh, 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 yeah, that would do it, wouldn't it? Hello? What is happening? Any of them chill? We do an elixir? We're done. We're done with elixir. Right now. No, it's the Brazilian language. Why is it the Brazilian language? I'm so over this. I can't do this anymore. I can't do this anymore. Handle call. Reply to caller. New state. The creator is Brazilian. And he lives in Poland. Brazil mentioned, Poland mentioned. I'm calling it done. I'm calling it quits. I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to do this anymore. I'm calling it quits. I'm sorry. How you doing with the lack of the return keyword? I mean, I don't use it in Rust either. Look, look. I got far. Okay, I'm not feeling it today. I'm not feeling it today. You can take a look at how far I got on Git, but I can't be doing this. I gave it my solid effort. All right. I'm running on like 4 hours of sleep. It's okay. Thank you. Thank you. It's not the one. It's not the one. It happens to the best of us. Fuck my Chungus life exactly. I would not survive Minecraft parkour civilization. Let's be real. I don't have what it takes. I don't have what it takes to go for the 2-block jump with the steak. I would only go for the 1-block jump with the chicken. And that's the difference between the pros and the noobs. Does anyone know what I'm yapping about? Does anyone know what I'm talking about? Eating raw chicken tonight. Exactly. Has anyone seen this? Has it reached the zeitgeist yet? I love that I did that during ads, so someone's gonna be like, did Maxie do it? Did Maxie do the speedrun while I was watching ads for 3 minutes? Yes, I did. I actually did. That's why the timer's still running. You don't play Minecraft? You don't have to. You have a whole scroll of parkour language? What does that mean? It's a cinematic masterpiece. Unironically, it's actually like crazy good. Basically, if you haven't heard of this, because half my audience isn't 12 and the other half is, some random person made like a 2 hour movie in Minecraft about a world where instead of paying money, you do like jumps, you do parkour jumps in Minecraft. And it's called Surviving Minecraft Parkour Civilization. And it's like unironically good. It's like actually not a bad movie. Other than like it's kind of cringy, it's actually not that bad. You don't know of the language. I can't say I watched it that intently. All right, the doubters win this time. The doubters win this time, but let's be real. That was a pretty surefire way to get some points. I don't know what the mods were thinking. PR created. I'm doing it tomorrow, Lunas. Doing it tomorrow. First loss? Yes. First loss ever. First loss ever. I even finished Zig. I'm just look. I am exhausted. I did not want to go live today. I don't know how the hell I managed to do it. Although I do get like a boost of energy as soon as I go live. I don't know what happened. I mean this in like a good way. Like it just happens. Actually, I have like a random thought process about this. I know it kind of doesn't come across, but this is my first semester ever with no school. This is my first semester ever with no school. Oh my god, the 3 block 360, no way, Controlo. I'm so out of it. This is my first semester without school. And this would be about the time where when you'd have midterms. This would be the exact time when you have midterms. And normally what would happen, I am the type of person where when I start getting anxious, I hyper focus on like projects that I'm working on and I'd like detach. Like I kind of like disappear for like a week or two and I just hyper focus on projects. I feel miserable, I feel anxious, and then midterms end and I'm like back to normal. It's just like a weird like my brain starts trying to calm me down by like obsessing over projects that are unrelated to any of my classes. Anyways, this is around the time when you'd have midterms. And my brain is just like flaring up. Like it's I don't want to say like I have trauma from school, but like it kind of is like I'm like feeling anxious for no reason because my body is yelling at me like we have midterms. It's midterm season. You got to get it on lock. Cuz like I mean I guess if you think about it like I've been in school like I've been studying intensely for the last 8 years. And so every October for the last 8 years, I'd get super stressed for midterms. And this is the first time that I'm not in school and my body is just freaking out. And I'm like I'm doing all the normal stuff that I'd be doing during midterm season where I'm like constantly working, constantly obsessing over unrelated projects, and there's like no reason. It's very bizarre to me. It's so bizarre to me. Anyways, that's why I've been hyper focusing on projects. I think um I mean, I don't mind hyper focusing on projects. It's just not like it's not healthy for your body. Like it's healthy for my soul. It's healthy for my soul. Like I love hyper focusing on projects. You get a lot of shit done and you like pull out knowledge that you never even knew you had. And it's fun. It's fun to do. But also like I mean it takes a toll. It takes a toll on your body. You would want to have something to do? I mean I do this. I really enjoy streaming. It takes up a lot of my time. I've set like very clear goals for myself. I don't know. I'm taking it seriously. I've been enjoying it a lot, so I don't feel bored. It's just now on top of streaming, which to me is like full time. I'm obsessing over projects that I work on until 3 and 4 in the morning. So, anyways, I'm just making excuses. Honestly, just being upfront with the old mental state. Anyways, I feel fine. I feel fine. It's just my body. Just my body that's not super on the same page as me. Just obsessed on the projects on stream. I don't. I mean, I can. I don't think that'd be good. I don't think that'd be good for me. I kind of like thought about it. I don't think it's gonna be interesting to watch unless I do like. I mean, I know a lot of people do this now, but like just streaming like work, no talking. I don't know. I don't see the point of that. I'm totally happy like working on stuff off stream. Plus, like, I don't know. No one knows what the fuck Franz is. No one knows what the fuck Franz is or how it works, and it's kind of frustrating to me because that's like the one project I care about. But I'm also like terrible at communicating how it works. So I'm totally happy just having that one be for me. I don't know. I think I what's Franz exactly? Fine for me to have a project that I do for myself because otherwise it all becomes like it's hard to detach from stream. Like it's hard to detach a project from stream. Be like, "Oh, how do I keep this interesting? How do I like make sure I'm teaching other people stuff?" So I think it's fine for me to have a project that I obsess over outside of stream that's like more for me and more technical. It keeps me sharp. I don't know. I think it's fine. What's bronze kappa? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Laugh about it. Laugh about it, all right? But yeah, play some games. I totally should. I will do Minecraft streams. I'll totally do Minecraft streams. We're gonna be doing some all the mods. Honestly, probably on Sunday. Play chess. I'm too good. I'm too good. It wouldn't be fun for you to watch. You wouldn't understand. You wouldn't understand the moves I'm making. I'm a little too good at chess. How can I be? I'm born and raised Russian. My father is one of the youth champions in the old Soviet Union for checkers. At the minimum, Discord, chess on Discord, or Minecraft on Discord. MC. I'll do it on Sunday. I'll do MC on Sunday. I wanna do some all the mods. I wanna do some ATM9. None of that vanilla garbage. No. Got hit with a no. Jank girl challenges me to a game of chess. Nora, I wouldn't want to do that to you. If you do MC in Discord, you have to chess too. I why like I is that gonna be entertaining to anyone? You want me to do chess right now? Do chess right now. It's not gonna be fun. You don't think it's bad that people don't know what's going on with the project? It's bad for me. It's bad for me. Because it feels purposeless. It's purposeless. It's like, I don't know. There's no. I like to have a reason to go live. I know that sounds like a little silly, maybe a little self-centered, but I don't feel very good when I go live and just waffle like this, like what I'm doing. It would be more fun watching me draw on SketchUp. Like I like to have a bit of a goal when I go live, I guess. And just like waffling while working on Franz. Cause I wouldn't even talk. I probably wouldn't even talk cause I gotta focus on actual complicated stuff. SketchUp? What is SketchUp? All right, we're doing chess while I talk about this. Let me play as a guest. All right. SketchUp is modeling software. Play you? I play you all the time. All right, that's as far as I knew. That's as far as I knew. You use it to draw furniture. Oh, cool. I just sketch things. I just sketch things out usually. I'm so good at this game. Okay, wait, maybe I'm not that good at this game. If I I already don't know what I'm doing. This is the third time I've played chess. It's really simple to draw. It feels like modeling with clay. Oh, cool. Oh, it's actually pretty useful. Oh, do you still want me to play you? I literally have no clue what I'm doing. All right, less pieces. I know this seems crazy. I know this seems crazy, but less pieces, more better. Less pieces, more better. You'll create the room. All right, hold on. Let me win this game real quick. Let me win this game real quick. Wait, 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 I'm confused. Ugh, this song slaps so hard. Revised ELO 850? What does that mean? What is a revised ELO? Am I doing good? Is this good? Is it good? Oh, look at that little face. Look at the little face. Do you see that? Look at this face. What does this mean? All right, go horsey, go. I got the link. All right. You know what? Fuck this. Your LSP keeps timeouting? That's normal. That's normal. Don't worry about it. That's totally fine. Wait, I haven't seen that move before. That's a new one. Hmm. You didn't see that one coming, did you, Hope? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Thank Torvalds it finally compiles. Thank Torvalds if I win this game of chess. If I win, Hope's gonna unfollow. Oh, I didn't think that through. If you win, you're banning the word chess? There's actually no shot. Actually, no shot I win. Yes. Yes. That was a wise move. Thank Kasparov if you win. Thank Magnuson. Hope, take one for the team, please. I don't think she will. I don't think she will. I can't understate. This is my third game of chess ever, including the last one I just played. I'm getting owned? What are you talking about? I'm fine. This is all part of the plan. Chill. I'm making Hope think. Or maybe she's gotten tea or something, I don't know. What? 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 I'm a demon with those little horsies? This was not a move I saw coming. This was not a move I saw coming. I think I do this. Can I pull your changes into the testing branch and run the bot temporarily there? I mean, honestly, if no one's done PRs, we can totally do it. Why does it keep timeouting? What did you do? What does that do? Did you do that, Hope? That doesn't feel very smart. My castle? How do you castle? Why didn't homie take my horse? I don't think homie could. Uh, I don't know. I don't know. I'm like out of things that make things happen. When in doubt, push a pawn. You had a chance to take my horse? Did she? I've been protecting those horsies with my life. When in doubt, when in doubt, your cat thinks you stole his chair? I think you did. I think your cat's 100% correct. What are you watching? You're watching chess. Oh fuck! I didn't see that. I need more Hikaru arrows. I don't know how this game works. I mean this. I mean this 100% genuinely. All of my knowledge of chess comes from that fucking show. I literally that's it. Queen's Gambit. Queen's Gambit taught me how the horse moves, and that's it. I genuinely I've never played chess. I don't know why every person in the world apparently knows this game. All right, here's the play. Here's the play. We're gonna go horsey for horsey because less pieces is good for me. The less there is to think, the better. So less pieces, more good. In that same vein, do I know en passant? No, no. I know you're an en peasant, and that's all I got. Wait, wait. That doesn't do what I think it does. Lightchess has literally one dev. There's a video about it. Yeah, Maxi. The f you talking about? What are you yapping about? Play the reverse Sicilian? Is that a pizza? Is that a type of pizza? What does that mean? I believe my horsey is what's known in the business as fucked. Uh, Play the Hawaiian without onions and extra olives? Protect your horse with the bishop or just move it? As in we trade here? Is that what you're saying? Is this what I built with elixir? Yes. Google en passant. I know it's some weird super niche thing that happens once in a lifetime, okay? I know it's a thing. Ba, ba, bam, ba, bam. All right, hear me out. Okay, I didn't think that one through. You can take my castle now. You will not hear me out. Oh. Oh, I see. I see. I see the issue here. I see the issue here. Hmm. Interesting. Is chess backseating welcome? I don't think it's gonna help me all that much, to be honest. Is my opponent a tier 3 sub? I don't even know if she's subbed. Just sacrifice the game? I don't even know if she's subbed. Hope, are you subbed? I have a hunch. I have a hunch. Not a sub? What am I throwing this game for then? It's Rupee, not Hope? Rupee is Hope. Alright, I timed out. I couldn't think fast enough. You know, I had you. I had you. We can call this one a tie. We can call this one a tie. I had you. I just need a little bit of more time and I would have thought it through, but I think I had you here. I saw the line. I saw the line. All right, analysis. Let's see the analysis. Request computer. I need an. I can't see it. Maxi is sandbagging. I got called Max and I got said I was sandbagging. It's so over. It's so over. Okay, yeah, let me pull. Let me pull. Wait, you said testing? You don't even know if it works? Enjoy that. At Rupee fight me. Hmm. The sliders you told me about, the professor in that series is called Max? How interesting. It's deploying. It's deploying, don't worry. Also maybe Franz died. Just give it the old reboot just in case. Double check it's all working. Should be good. Cool. All right, let her spin up a little. Let her spin up. Let her spin up. All right, we're good. ETT does not exist. Tic-tac-toe does not exist. Did you forget to register it? It's over. That was your one pull request. That was your one pull request. I'm sorry. I need to fix that. I need to fix that. It is annoying and it's not even in the guide. Okay. Let me end stream. Let EP Maxi end stream. EP Maxi is EP. Is EP Maxi gonna go sleep? Absolutely not. EP Maxi is gonna fucking continue being crazy and working on fronts. Actually, before I end stream, let me yap about what I did. Let me brag about what I did. What am I doing? Let's do the quick rundown. Quick rundown. The quick rundown is that I rewrote mmap wrapper into the more aptly named map cell, which is just fancy casting stuff that we do. It doesn't really do anything crazy. It's basically like, I don't know, if you do things in C, you would maybe know this. Mapma. It's all Mapma. It's all Mapma. If you do things in C, maybe you know about, like, you make a memory mapped page that you then cast to a struct pointer. This is like a common thing that you would do in C. It's kind of a pain in the ass to do it in Rust. So I wrote a little wrapper that does it for you. And then I rewrote the little wrapper that does it for you. And it does a little bit of like better stuff, like anonymous mapping. It does named mapping. It differentiates open and new. These are different things. I don't know. It was just like, you know, every kiss begins with K and every Franz begins with a memory mapped module. The actual fun stuff is, of course, the rewrite of the disk, multi-producer, multi-consumer. I realized I racked the old brain power. The brain power go burr. And at 3 in the morning, I realized that you can do police merch. Right, when it passes the check. You could do some pretty intense optimizing if you know the size of messages that you're expecting and how many messages you want to store. And I think this is like a weirdly safe assumption to make for a lot of message queues. Like if you're running a message queue, you know the average size of your message. Like I'm using this for Twitch API messages that are about 4 kilobytes. They're usually about 4 kilobytes. Is that true? Yeah, I think so. And I'm like, okay, I want to store about 1,000 of them. It passed. Okay. Let's double check. Added insert, tic-tac-toe. Cool. Why does it add a whole ass other file? Because it deleted the other one? You know what? I trust you. Okay. So yeah, I realized that like you can do some pretty intense optimization. And the fun thing that I realized, baby, wrong chat. Hello? What? It's not deployed yet. You can watch it deploy. I swear to God, you can watch it deploy. You thought you were tapped into Discord? Well, welcome back. It's okay. You can call me baby. That's fine. You're allowed to. Lillian is allowed to call me baby. So our queue pages got renamed to data pages. And the data pages are now special because if you know approximately how many messages you're storing per page, you can have a little map of message number to. Okay, I did call you baby. Also Borkin. There we go. Give me the train back. I'll do the keyboard. I'll do the keyboard. I forgot to do it, okay? I forgot to do the one at the beginning of stream too. The fit's nothing special, so I didn't even care about doing it. Honestly, I keep talking about how y'all normally don't see. Oh, that looks awful, Lunas. Can't have new lines. Whoa, chill. I keep yapping about how normally y'all don't see like, oh, I don't know actually dress like this when I go outside. I think this is how I think this is like actually an accurate representation of how I look when I go outside. So if you ever run into me, it's probably gonna be when I'm looking. Just FYI. Tic tac toe. All right, enjoy the tic tac toe while I yap. So the data page now has a mapping of message number to where that message actually starts, the start byte. This means that you can do some insane optimizations with receivers because you can have receivers are now atomic. You can like say you have 10 receivers that come in at the same time. Each one of them can do a fetch add on a message number. So each one will get a unique number that they're going to have to process. And they can just jump into this map and grab the start byte. So it's just a way of like making sure there's no collisions between different receivers and things like that. You're confused. I know. I'm just yapping. I'm just yapping. Honestly, I'm not going to explain why I do things until the very end. Did I complete the speed run? Yeah. 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 Sure. OMG, it's Elixir Maxi Sob. Eepy! I'm so eepy. I can't think, I can't talk, and I definitely can't elixir. I'm just gonna shut up and write code. Just gonna shut up and write code. That's fine. That's fine. It's the software category. I'm just gonna shut up and write code. Mm-hmm. Do I call it a receiver? Does it make any sense to call this a receiver? I guess it does. I guess it sort of does. It definitely does. If you mess up and place on an already placed spot, just don't do that. I love how jank this bot is. I love how quickly this bot became so fucking jank. That's so funny to me. I swear I could write an x86-64 assembly just to being a producer from standard in. Sometimes abstraction hurts you. Sometimes abstraction hurts you. I think Elixir just has too many layers of abstraction for my brain to handle. Honestly, just put the packets through the cables manually for real. That's basically assembly. Receiver. Receiver? What do I need in a receiver? How did I do this last time? I think a receiver has something like okay. I'm trying to context switch. I actually context switch so slow. It's like an issue. Had buds buy your buds. Haven't you, I guess? The bot got banned? Why? Why is it so blindingly white? Why is it so bright? I feel like it's trying to match the brightness of all the black things I'm wearing, and it's just like not having it. I'm gonna do a little strip tease. I am European. It's true. It's true. Right, the red is handled better. Wow, I look not my usual stream fit. European. I can't connect my earbuds to my PC without a mouse. I can't hear the music anymore. Yeah, right. Figure it out from Sea Alive. I don't wanna. It's fine. I used to have a hotkey. I don't know if anyone's noticed this. Can I do a little reveal? I don't know if anyone's noticed this. I have a hotkey to connect to my earbuds. It's in my .config too. The issue that I have is that it's not these earbuds. It's these earbuds, and they're different ones. It's different earbuds. I have backup earbuds. All right, the tic-tac-toe spam is getting a little crazy there, bub. I have backup earbuds, but the backup earbuds are the broken ones. So I can't use the backup earbuds. All right, maybe I can do this. Maybe I can do this. Maybe I can do this. Let me just jump to devices. Click, click, space. Connect to police. Oh, it doesn't let me. It doesn't let me. Now they made a flower and a flying train. Has science gone too far? Yes. Relative of Bruce Wayne. This is all controlled through redeems and chat messages. We have a very interactive stream. Every single redeem will change what's in this terminal, except for highlight. Highlight does not. Highlight is just when I'm ignoring you, you can redeem highlight and I won't ignore you. So enjoy that. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. having cheese on stream is like is so immensely life-saving. Like I don't even know how to explain it. Specifically cheese. Because I've had like chips on stream and chips on stream just don't do it for me. But having like some salty ass cheese, this is life-saving. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to program without cheese anymore. Look, there's music. I can't even fucking hear it. Ass cheese sounds wrong. The chat has redeems, but the chatters themselves are irredeemable. You can always redeem yourself by coming to Christ. Or so the preacher on my corner tells me every morning. Actually, he stopped telling me. He stopped telling me that I'm redeemable. Coming to Christ? How much? Does Christ have an OnlyFans? How much does it cost to come to Christ? Whoa, whoa, it's a PG stream. It's a PG stream, gang. Come on. Yeah, the corner preacher no longer thinks I'm redeemable. It's a little worrying. Or maybe he just knows that I'm already God-fearing. This is a great topic to yap about. Alright. We're not gonna continue that thread any longer. This yap about it, it's interesting. I don't mind yapping about religion. I feel like my takes on religion are so boring. Hey, anyone who can get nailed for 3 days straight and then come back for more? That's the kind of guy I date. And a communist? And like a full-blown communist? Honestly, Jesus just sounds like the average blue-haired guy at any college. Just any like long-hair hippie in a liberal arts college. That's just like literally Jesus. No gods, no masters. You're a boring agnostic. I'm an atheist with like really boring takes. I used to be a Reddit atheist, which was very embarrassing. I used to be like a full-blown Reddit atheist where I was like, you're morally inferior for believing in God, which is so cringe. You fix the formatting. I don't want to redeploy. I'll literally do it tomorrow. I literally will do it tomorrow. Used to watch that neckbeard atheist guy on YouTube? No. I had my own opinions. I didn't watch anyone. Isn't there like a new like right-wing pipeline for being an atheist? How does that work? Isn't there like an atheist right-wing pipeline? Is this a thing that exists now? Because I definitely heard about it. Luke Smith? That's such a generic ass name. The amazing atheist? Someone asked about Luke Smith earlier too. John Johnson? What the fuck are with these names? John Johnson and Luke Smith? And Anderson Andersons? Like what are with these names? You thought you were an atheist for a while, but in reality you aligned with agnostic? That's how little you cared? Luke Smith is a Linux tuber? I've no oh my god. I'm like not on the internet. I'm not on the internet as much as I should be. I should be studying for this job. He also thinks Nazis were partially right? What? He's a Linux schizo that lives in the woods. Yeah, partially is crazy. I just kind of like, I don't know. It's mental health issues, right? Like that's what it is. Not crazy. That's wild, yeah. What possibly mean by that? What could you possibly mean by like, well, Nazis kind of had like some aspects, right? What does that mean? All right, and I can get my keyboard back, or my mouse back rather. Or is this like Nazis were fighting the communists, so they're good type thing? They explored UFOs, probably even fought them. Okay, we got another keyboard redeem, but I'm gonna actually connect my earbuds because I'm losing my mind. Otherwise, I'm yelling at myself in a basement and I hear my own echo. And did time traveling you go eep now? Thanks for hanging around, Lunas, and thanks for the PRs. As much as I complain, I really do appreciate every single PR. I love every single PR. I want the bot to be as jank as possible. I want the bot to have as many shitty commands as possible. And I will say this again. Also, by Modproc, thanks for hanging around. I'll say this again. Open source development is kind of intimidating. And I don't want to have that level of intimidation for this project. I want you to make shitty PRs for this project. You want to PR, do it. I totally encourage you. You get stumped somewhere, ask in the Discord, ask me personally, DM me. I don't care. Um, just like I want this to be a good intro. Where is it? Bang bot. Bang mostly bot or bang bot? It's dead, and that's where it is. It's dead. What happened? What did Lunas do to it? All right, we're doing the old reset. We're doing the old reset. I think we spammed it a little too hard. It's spinning back up. You have something you want to PR, but unfortunately, it's not gonna make it more jank. Look, that's good too. If you're a veteran and you know what you're doing, that's fine. You think I got rate limited? I think we broke. I think we broke Franz. I think we broke Franz. Is it back? It's not back. What did we do to the bot? It's like it's like dead. It's like crash dead. Make it send get fucked liberals every time it comes online. Mm, honestly, not a bad idea. Definitely not a great one either. It's back. It's back. It's back. It's back. There you go. Contribute to the mostly bot. Make more PRs. Just try to make them not so spammy. At some point, if you spam enough messages, it just doesn't have it. You'll contribute. Cool. There is a guide. There is a guide there. I totally encourage people to contribute. And join the Discord. We're doing the old plugs. We're doing the quick plugs. Join the Discord. Coffee. If you think I shouldn't have a job and keep doing this, maybe throw a couple bucks my way. Makes me feel good. Makes me feel really good. In the Discord, we have tons of great Rust schizos to help. We do. We do have a lot of crustaceans in the Discord. We're a little crusty, but we're definitely rustaceans. Joel, I keep getting Joeled. Mostly Joel. Between the autism and schizophrenia, how can I not be filled with random ideas? Massive/J. I want. You'll add unit tests? I appreciate that. I want people to switch to backslash for tone indicators. That's it. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm not gonna do anything to make that happen, but I want that to happen. The first ad you've ever seen on this stream? What? Why are you not subbed? You'll take it and fuzz it good? Have at it. Have at it. Fuzz it up. Just like Haskell used to say for lambda operators. It just makes sense to me. It's an escape. It's an escape character, right? It makes so much sense to me. Hell yeah. Okay, we're on the same page. You're not joking about having both autism and schizophrenia. But maybe you didn't need to indicator there. I think overthinking tone indicators is very much a symptom of having autism. So if anything, you're going with the flow there. You're going with the flow there. You like forward slashes. I'm not gonna do anything about it. I've been told, and I need a confirmation on this. For some reason, everything I say sounds a little sarcastic. Imgur is down. For some reason, everything I say sounds a little sarcastic. Allegedly. I don't know what it is. What about the Unix pipe? You're gonna pipe your sentence through sarcasm? Not entirely and not always. Many are saying this? I think many have said this. It's just not serious. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is, and I've gone so far as to ask a linguist, like, what is it about the way that I talk that makes it sound sarcastic? And he tried to analyze it. And he tried to analyze it and was like, you do this thing when you end sentences and that sounds sarcastic, and try doing that. And then I literally couldn't. Like, I just have like I don't know. I think it's because I always end my sentences on an up. Or like I almost always end my sentences on an up. But I think that's like a California thing. Even if you tried, you couldn't. That's how it feels. Not because you're incapable, but likely because you would prefer not to show that side of yours. I'm Italian. I'm Californian. I think it's a California thing. I sound like I'm asking questions in every sentence. It's a California thing. It's definitely a California thing. It's 100%. It's like it's just growing up in California, I think. I'm not Italian. I'm not Italian. Why do you think I'm Italian? Why do you think I'm Italian? White Valley Girl moment? That's probably what it is. I think that's probably what it is. I don't know. You Chicago? You in Chicago? I'm not in Chicago. I'm live in the studio from New York City. Welcome to the stream. Twitch. We have Twitch in chat. Hello? Holy cow, it's the Twitch Damon? New York vomit. Look, I like it. I like it. I like it here. Okay? I feel at home here. What's the what's the deal with Italian people? What is this, a Seinfeld bit? What's the deal with Italian people? Boom, 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 boom. That get me on my pasta fazool. Boom, 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 boom. Mamma mia. You know that Michael Reeves clip where he like picks up the plate and then he drops the cake and he goes Mamma mia. I swear to God, like I get pushed that clip like once a week for no reason. And I watch it every time. I guess that's why I get pushed the clip. It's just so funny to me. Does anyone know what I'm yapping about? Michael Reeves, Mamma Mia. It is funny. I have no clue what the context is. It's like a 2-year-old clip now, right? It's not even like a new clip. Hold on. Let me figure this out. It's a little loud. All right, whatever. That's it. That's the clip. I don't know why. I don't know why it gets recommended to me like every week, like at least once a week. The first Michael Reeves video you watched was a C# tutorial when it first came out because you were a child. Oh, I didn't even know Michael Reeves did a C# tutorial. Michael Reeves is fun. Michael Reeves is fun. I think I definitely like my dream as a young enjoyer of content was like I want to be Michael Reeves. Like I want to make Michael Reeves content, but it is insane how high quality it is. C# is not cute. Why is C# not cute? Mamma mia. You can't tell if that was staged or not. It's not. It's not. He's so like he just has that little like spark. He just has that little spark of talent. What's the difference between C# and D flat? You want me to pull out my music theory knowledge? My little fun fact for you all is I do have a certification in music theory in California. I don't know if that means much of anything, but it is something I have. The certificate of merit. Want to get a keyboard and learn how to play the piano? You should. You should. Music is all garbo. Hope hates music confirmed. Tell the difference between music and sound. Music makes me feel good. Music makes me feel good and sound sometimes also makes me feel good, but like pretty rarely. Downside of ADHD medication is that you listen to music less. How come? You just feel less of a need to, or you just don't want to? That's interesting. You used to blast music to help you focus on programming, but now you don't need it. Oh. I just find it enjoyable. I don't know. I love constantly listening to music. I'm also like insane, and I'm one of those people where if I find a song that I like that day, that's the only song I'm listening to for the entire day. Like I put it on repeat and I just loop again and again and again. Maybe for like a day or two, and then I'll be like, all right, dopamine's run out. Give me the next one. So now you just can't handle the web programming and thinking. Oh wow. I mean, I guess the meds are working. At least you have 16 different anime series running in parallel on T-Bucks. Am I one of the anime series? Your Spotify top 5 is 5 songs with 100 replays from the same band? Is 100 a lot? Is 100 a lot? I don't think 100's that much. Your breakcore speedcore stuff overwhelms me. I'd get overwhelmed by breakcore. I definitely get overwhelmed by breakcore. I do enjoy it in amounts, but it's definitely like definitely overwhelming sometimes. Wait, how what's the FM? What's the like Spotify FM tracker? What am I talking about? Last FM, that's the one. Let's find my data. Mm. Oh, that's an embarrassing name that I haven't changed here. You started using it a week ago and have 389 scrolls. I think I started using it a couple years ago. Um, let's see my top of ah. See my top mother. Sorry, I'm fighting the old client. Oh, give me a sec. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. Top tracks. This is hard to do without a mouse. I'm so sorry, but apparently hope. Oh wait, I have my mouse back. 343 listens on my top song. 343 listens on my top songs, and then 200. There's just some songs that just like, ugh, they're so easy to loop. A lot of these songs are more like beats as opposed to actual songs. And it's just so easy to just put it on a loop and zone out. Username not mostly Maxi. It's a really old. It's a really old account. I can't believe you haven't always been mostly Maxi. I mean, some of them are mostly Max, but not a lot of them. There's a really old account name that probably hasn't been used since like freshman year of high school. That's what this is, and I really doubt you'll find it, but I don't think there's a lot of places on the internet where it exists. I think this might be one of the last places because you can't change it. At least I hope not. Don't go searching. Don't go searching. That's weird. Oh my god, Kill Bill is on here? You're weird? That's okay. It's okay to be weird. It's not tracking. It's not tracking my NC Spot songs? Oh my god, this is one of the songs. Is it? No, it's not. Your most replayed is Esky by Sebnum Farah. Interesting. If you ever curious, just use what's my name. I try my best to scrub personal information from the internet, but I also know it's kind of a fruitless effort because there's always another place. So I'm more so like, as long as there isn't anything dangerous out there, I'm like pretty lax about it. But I don't think there's anything too interesting about me on the internet. This is not a thing I should have said live. This is definitely opening some invitations there. I don't know. I'm kind of an open book. I just try to make sure that I'm more worried about my security as opposed to the information that exists on me. Because I think that's like virtually impossible to scrub unless you've been very careful for your entire life. And nope. If your Twitch account want to get wiped for doxing, you'd post your address in chat and not care. I try to do the pirate software thing where I try to make sure there is as many addresses under my name as possible. But like, yeah, I mean, at some point that's like public information. It's so hard to scrub because there's just government records and you kind of can't do anything about it. It really sucks. I'm kind of unfortunately in a fortunate situation where 45 Chunga Street. I mean, in New York, you move a lot, right? And so like, I really don't think it would be possible to find my address, or it would be difficult too. Government usually knows where your current address is. Yeah. You can file to get it archived or whatever they call it to make it not be virtually public information, but it's still like, I don't know. It's so hard to scrub information from the internet. So just don't do anything illegal. And on that happy note, I'm gonna actually end stream. I know I said that last time, but let's actually end stream this time. Even if it's not public, it's not that hard to get. I know. I think it's more so of like, everything you want to do is illegal. Sometimes it'd be that way. Just don't hurt other people, just don't hurt other people. And don't do anything illegal in your respective country or whatever I'm supposed to say. I don't know. Just don't hurt people. Who are we rating? Fern is live again? Fern's been live so much. Fern is live. Dawn is live. Yeah, don't explain how to get other people's info into public Twitch chat. Yeah, I think that is morally a bad thing to do. Who we raiding, gang? Oh, I can use my mouse. I forgot I could use my mouse. Do we do non? Non raided us once. Can get IP at maximum. You can get my IP? You're gonna find my IP? Is it blessing and a curse? How will the definitely legal information you have in your brain? Yes. I understand what you mean. I understand what you mean. Let's do Qless. Let's do Qless. You're a yapper? I think a lot of people in OSINT are yappers. Probably because you know it's one of those things where someone goes, "Hey, you shouldn't tell this to people," and all of a sudden you love telling it to people. I think a lot of OSINT and top secret people are like that. We're raiding Qless. You haven't raided them in a while. Here are some tricks to get validated. Yeah, I mean it's just everyone needs to talk about what they do, right? Everyone loves talking about themselves, and when you have a job that's like very specifically like don't talk about this to other people, kind of rough, kind of rough. Alrighty, gang. We'll be back tomorrow for Friday. We'll be doing more bot stuff. Hopefully I'll get all my Franz development out of my system today. If I don't, it's gonna be a Franz Friday. It's gonna be a Franz Friday. Don't overwork yourself. I will try my best. Thanks for hanging around, everyone. You'll submit 800 PRs in the meantime. Review all of them one by one with a lot of scrutiny. Lillian talking about how she can hack every single one of us and then puts 800 PRs into the bot. You feel like you'd burn out and stop streaming? I'm making sure I don't. I'm making sure I don't. I do enjoy it. And my friends keep me on track. But other than that, I hope everyone has a lovely, lovely Thursday. Bye-bye.